The Samsung Galaxy M40 mobile features a 5.9, 14.99 cm display with a screen resolution of 1080 x 2280 pixels and runs on Android v9.0 Pie operating system. The device is powered by octa-core, 2.2 GHz, dual-core, Cortex-A7 III plus 1.6 GHz, hexa-core, Cortex-A5 III, processor paired with 4 GB of RAM. As far as the battery is concerned, it has 3100 mAh. Over that, as far as the rear camera is concerned, this mobile has a 16MP plus 5MP camera. Other sensors include light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer. So, does it have a fingerprint sensor? Yes, it does. For graphical performance that can make games run smoothly, this phone has got a Mali G71 GPU. Onboard storage is at 64 GB with the option to expand the memory by up to 512 GB. Samsung Galaxy M40 price in India is approximately 19,500. This mobile will be available in colors such as black, blue, orange, white. Thanks for watching Tech Molecule.